Hello, what's up everybody? This is your boy Kunal and today we are going to talk about how to build an outfit. Building an outfit seems to be one of the major problems most guys face and that is why we are here today. In this video, I have covered all the steps from the very beginning to the end, and once all the steps are completed, I have made a few outfits based on these steps so that you get a better idea of what we are going to talk about. So without wasting any more time, let's find out. Number 1, before starting anything, know the situation first. Don't just start making an outfit without knowing the purpose of making it. Is it a date, a party, you are going to the airport, to the market, for a jog, whatever the reason is, know the situation first and then start accordingly. Number 2, wear a base layer. I usually wear a white or a black base layer because I prefer neutrals as my base layer. But that's not the point. The point is, why do we wear base layer? Number 1, it provides an extra layer of insulation and keeps you warm throughout the day. Number 2, it absorbs sweat from your body. And number 3 is the best and the most important point, it adds another layer to your outfit. Another layer means another element. The number of elements you add to your outfit, the more attractive your outfit becomes. Number 3, pick up the item you wish to wear and use it as your color palette. Now this is the most important point and it might be a bit difficult for you to understand, but once we move on to the examples, you'll get a better idea of it. So basically what we have to do is select one item which you want to wear, and that item could be anything. A jacket, a t-shirt, shirt, jeans, shoes, anything. Like for example, take a jacket. Now pick up the colors from this jacket and find the clothes of these colors. By doing so, you have to choose between a much shorter range of clothes rather than going through your entire closet. But in case your jacket is having only one color, like for example the one I am wearing is of grey color, then look for the colors which are similar to it. Like this is of grey color, then look for a darker shade of grey or lighter shade of grey, black, maybe white. You understood what I meant. So now I have to find out the clothes which are having these 4 colors rather than going through my entire closet. Basically by this method, तुम कम से कम time में एक बढ़िया outfit बना सकते हो. Point number 4, wear the right shoes with your outfit, or it would be much appropriate to say that don't wear sport shoes with every outfit. See, I don't get this. This is one of the biggest mistake most guys make while making an outfit, और इस बार मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ. See, ऐसा नहीं है कि sport shoes are meant to be worn with only athleisure outfits, but you need to understand that not all sport shoes are same. For example, take a look at this picture. This shoe can be worn with only and only athleisure outfits. While on the other hand, take a look at this picture. This can be worn with casual outfits, smart casual outfits, and of course, athleisure outfits. So now I think you have understood the difference between the two. Let's move on to the next point. Moving forward, point number 5, add elements to your outfit. And basically when I say elements, I mean accessories. Rings, lockets, bracelets, watches, these are some essential accessories you must have and you must wear. When you wear such things, you convert a simple outfit into a great one. But apart from these, a belt, glasses, shades, these also act as an element in your outfit. Basically, all these things make you look more attractive. So guys, now we are done with all the 5 steps in order to make an outfit. And now we'll be moving on to the examples so that you get a better idea of what we were talking about till now. Let's go. So, outfit number 1. In this outfit, I'm wearing a black full sleeve t-shirt as my base layer, and उसके ऊपर पहना हमने एक simple pullover which has light horizontal stripes on it. So, if you guys remember the third step, this was the item I chose to pick my colors from. So, the colors which are similar to the pullover I'm wearing are blue, black, and grey. So I looked for the items which were of these colors and chose a dark blue denim and paired it up with a nice pair of Chelsea boots. So the outfit I have now is pretty basic and simple, and that is why to make it more complex and better, I'll wear a trench coat over it. And to add another element to the outfit, I also wore a grey muffler. So now our outfit is complete. And of course, accessories will always be there. So moving on to the next one, outfit number 2. In this outfit, I want a white t-shirt as my base layer, and the piece I wanted to wear this time is my peach trucker jacket. There was one thing I forgot to mention in the points, that while making your palette, either go for the tones which are similar or you go for the tones which are completely contrasting. Like I'm wearing peach this time, so either I'll go with the white or I'll go with black. Red, green, yellow, these are not to be worn with such clothes. And at the bottom I've worn a simple classic white leather sneakers. Though I don't like those much, but इस आउटफिट के लिए इससे बेटर ऑप्शन और कोई नहीं होता. मूविंग फर्दर, आउटफिट नंबर 3. इन दिस आउटफिट आई वॉन्ट अ वाइट टी एज माई बेस लेयर, इफ यू कैन सी, एंड उसके ऊपर मैंने पहना एक blue hoodie, उसके नीचे मैंने पहनी है blue denim, and at the bottoms we are wearing simple basic sport shoes. The reason why I wanted to add this outfit is because of the shoes. These are the shoes I was talking about. These are also the sport shoes, and those which I showed you back then were also the sport shoes. You can easily spot the difference, right? These are the most comfortable shoes I have ever had. But the reason why this outfit is my most comfortable outfit is because of that bomber jacket. Yes, that bomber jacket. Extremely versatile, extremely comfortable, and extremely easy to pair it up with anything. So that's all for today's video. These were the last 3 outfits which I wanted to share with you. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, drop us a like down below. Thanks for watching. See you next week.